Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Wandalee. So what I decided to do for my channel was, for those of you who are new or even returners, but especially any newcomers, I wanted to do a welcome video to welcome you to my channel and to give you a little bit more information about what you would see on my channel if you decide to subscribe. So on my channel, you'll find videos about home, DIY, organization, cleaning videos, cooking videos, lifestyle videos, even hauls and reviews on products. And you'll also find videos that share my faith, including Bible studies or any other types of videos that I think would be helpful to you and to your journey in your faith. I would also like to add that everything in the videos that I'm reviewing, I purchased myself with my own money, so you can always trust that my reviews are going to be honest. There are times when companies may reach out to me and they want to send me products for free. If I'm interested, then I will allow them to send me things, and I will still be giving you an honest review. Again, I have turned down companies that wanted to send me items for free or give me a certain amount of money to spend on their website, but because I already knew that I either wouldn't use the product, I don't believe in the product, or I don't really have a personal need for the product or think highly of the product, I have declined and turned them down. So I also want you all to know that whatever I do review on my channel, it's something that I believe in, it's something I use myself, or it may be something new that I'm trying, but that I'm interested in trying, and not just saying yes to people who reach out to me just to receive free goods. That being said, I will always include in my videos if the products were sent to me for free or if I purchased them myself. Just for the safety of my channel, I'm no longer, for anyone out there who is a company interested in me trying your product, I'm no longer going to be opening up any emails with attachments. What I did include to any businesses that are interested in me trying products is you can send me an email first to wandaleearnow1023@gmail.com. Send me an email first just to make sure I'm interested in your products. I would never want to show a product on my channel that I wouldn't be interested in trying or using. That's all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being a subscriber. Stay safe, stay blessed, and until next time, ciao.